Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to fix your UNIOX. So this one is the electric kettle for your 12 volt for your car. So I'm not sure if this has too much power or what is going on. I got when I plug it in, let's see. It shows E2. So I think a lot of people were having problem with either E1, E2, or E7. So it might be too much power or too much current is going through here. So I'm going to show you guys on how to fix this. You're going to unplug it. By the way, this comes with two of this cup. It's collapsible or expandable, okay? So you're gonna press this button right here, okay? Make sure you press it down. This button is for the 100 degree Celsius. You're gonna press this down while you push this plug in, and start the kettle right away, okay? So yeah, I'm not sure if you guys can hear the sizzling. So eventually it's gonna go up to 100, and you will have the warm, hot water available for you to use it with your hot cocoa, hot coffee, hot tea, or whatever. See, it's going up right now. Now it's at 25. So yeah, with this, it drains my battery pack quite a lot. I was at 98%. Now it's at 96 already. By the way, on the bottom right here, you can switch to, I think it was a 90 watt and 100 something watts. So yeah, right now it shows 35. Right now my battery pack shows 90. And I got this from my buddy that he bought a car that came with it. And he doesn't want it, so he gave it to me. So when I look at the Amazon, this one was quite expensive. I think it's $150 or more. So we're just going to go to 100 and then pour out the boiling water. So yeah, I'm not sure why it's giving me the E2. When I first plugged it in without charging my power bank, and it was working fine. This thing lit up, and then I could adjust the temperature up and down. Maybe it has some kind of micro chip inside there. It sends the current or the voltage is too high, and giving me that or throwing me that E2 error message. So yeah, I'm not sure if you guys could hear the boiling sound. Let me move it closer. So right now it's at 60, and this is 73%. So now it's at 72. So it eats a lot of juice. So yeah, in case you plug this into your vehicle secret light adapter, you want to keep your car running, or it might kill the battery. So. Alright, so 78%. The battery pack is 57, 56. It's getting there, 92%. Battery pack's at 46% right now. Alright, so it reaches at the temperature already. And it still show E2, but you could heat up your water. Let's see. Wow, it's pretty hot. And then the battery pack shows 38%. So from 98% to 38%, it kills like 60% of my power. Anyway, it still shows E2. I'm going to pour out the water. Hopefully I'm not going to burn myself. Well, they say sometimes the cap might not fit in properly, but it is pretty hot. Got this temperature. Wow, 174.2. Now it shows 171.3. We do it to here. $190.2 inside the canister. See on the bottom here, it shows 90 watts or 120 watt. That is switchable. And inside there is the boiling line. You cannot go above that. Alright, so somehow I fixed it. I was playing with the power button and I pressed this temperature right away. And once you hear a click, you just adjust the temperature. So right now it keeps at 46 degrees Celsius. And if you want to go up, you just press the temperature. And it starts at 60, and as you can see, this light come on. And right now you can adjust the temperature. What temperature you want to stays at, okay? Or keep it warm. So right now it's 46 right now. It's going to go up to 50. And once it go up to 50, it's going to stay at 50 degrees Celsius. And I'm going to show you that I'm not lying. I'm going to unplug it, plug it back in. There's no E2 error anymore, so. So because I unplug it, it stays at 48. I need to set it to back to 50. But every time when I press this temperature, it starts at 60. So I'm going to go down to 50 and then leave it there. Once the temperature reaches at 50, this thing is going to turn off the red light. And it's going to beep. Oh, it didn't beep. You just click off. So right now it shows at 50. And by the way, you could manual adjust it to keep it at 99 or 100. But I'm just going to keep it at 50. So whatever's inside here is gonna stay at that temperature. Right now it went up a little bit because it was heating up. So that's why it shows 51 because I set at 50. So it's like blinking back and forth, back and forth. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to share this with your friends or family if they are experiencing this same problem with the E2. Hopefully it's going to work for E1 and then E7 as well for this UNIOX. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video like always. Peace.